Hey guys, so today I'm unboxing a Militado ML05 38mm field watch. It's a Chinese brand which I bought on Lazada Philippines. The price was approximately 33 USD. So let's check it. Very simple red box. Let's open it. Okay, there is a card there. According to the website, it has a warranty of 2 years. Okay, only the card. So let's check the watch. So it's a quartz movement, and the crystal here is a top hat dome sapphire. The case is 38 millimeters. Okay, let's open it. Well, they wrapped it too much, I think. Okay, not so smooth as I would like it, but not a big deal. Wow. Okay, it took me some time, but finally I also almost managed to open it. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So lug to lug length here is 47.5 millimeters, and the lug to lug width is 20 millimeters. The bracelet here is nylon, khaki black with a yellow line in the middle, and the bezel here is fixed. You can see Militado written on the back of the case. The watch is water resistant up to 100 meters. So in order to wind the watch, you need to unscrew the crown like this and then pull it back. You hear some click. Then you can wind the watch, and then you just press it back and screw the crown back like this. Okay, so let's check the lume here. It's a super sea green color, very strong, looks very good, and you can see it very clearly in complete darkness. So that's all guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for my channel for more content. Bye bye.